I am the sun, Surya, the center of our solar system, radiating light, heat, and solar energy, which makes life possible on earth. I am the precious gold found on earth, changing the season around the world. I am the earth, Prithvi, the only planet that supports life in our solar system, which makes me special. I am unique because I support life with oxygen and water. I am bold and strong. That is why I am called Mother Earth. I am the sky, Akash, the symbol of hope, dreams, and freedom. I am full of twinkling stars and moving clouds appearing blue. I provide space for exploration and discovery. I am the wind, Vayu, known as the moving air through a gentle breeze. I represent strength and I am responsible for movement and breath. Winds from the ocean carry water and bring rains. I am water, Jala. I am the precious resource found on earth. I have many forms like rivers, oceans, lakes, ponds, and the raindrops. I have the ability to flow, adopt, and freeze. समस्त सृष्टि 5 तत्वों से बना है। सृष्टि में इन 5 तत्वों का संतुलन बना हुआ है। 5 महातत्व, 5 भौतिक तत्व, 5 मूल तत्व का समूह है और सभी ब्रह्मांड का आधार है। माना जाता है मानव शरीर भी इन्हीं 5 तत्वों से बना है। पंचभूत मूल तत्व है जो पृथ्वी पर या ब्रह्मांड में कहीं भी किसी भी जीवित जीव का निर्माण करते हैं। मानव के समग्र स्वास्थ्य इन्हीं पंचभूत से जुड़े हैं। Vijaya and Venkat Lakshmi as element of water. Subhashni and Lakshmi Ramana as element of wind. Teja as Mother Earth. Lakshmi Kanakam as sky. Pooja as the sun.